Today I am very excited to show the recipe that I am going to prepare. This is an authentic Bengali dish which is very healthy and super yummy. This dish is basa macher paturi or basa fish cooked in banana leaf. To make this quick and tasty recipe, we need very few ingredients. We need fish. I am using basa here. You can use fish of any choice. The other ingredients are mustard oil, curd or yogurt, salt as per taste, turmeric powder, fresh coconut, green chilies, black mustard, poppy seeds or posto, yellow mustard, and banana leaves for wrapping this fish. These three ingredients, the black mustard, poppy seeds and yellow mustard, need to be soaked in advance in warm water for about an hour. First, let us take a blender, and into the blender we will add yellow mustard, black mustard, poppy seeds, green chilies and coconut. All the ingredients are now blended properly. This will be the texture of the mixture. It will be slightly coarse in texture. You can also add a few drops of water to blend it properly. I have now taken the blended mixture into a bowl. To this, now I will add salt, turmeric powder, curd, and some mustard oil. Now I will start mixing everything together to form a thick paste. Now I will start adding the fish fillets into this mixture. Coat the fish well with the marination mixture so that it is applied on all sides nicely. When the fish is nicely coated with the mixture, I will just close this with a lid and rest it for at least 30 minutes before proceeding with the cooking. While the fish is resting, I am going to toast the banana leaves slightly so that these will not break when folding. For this, I have taken a tawa, heated it, and now I will place the banana leaf onto this. Flip it over. It only requires 10 seconds on each side. The fish has been resting for some time now and the banana leaves have been toasted nicely. Let us now start preparing the packets or the parcels. First, I will take a spoonful of this mixture and slightly apply on the bottom. Then I will place the fish along with the mixture and place it on top of this. Now I will fold this on all sides to make this into a small packet. You can see that our dish is coming together now. So our packet or parcel is now ready, nicely done. Now I will tie this with a thread so that the fish is secure. You can also do this with a toothpick. Now you can see that all the parcels are ready. This is now ready for cooking. Now we will heat a pan, and into the pan I am going to add some mustard oil. Now I will start placing the parcels or the pockets into this pan. All the parcels are now placed in the pan. I will now close this with a lid and let this cook on each side for 8 to 10 minutes. This has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I will open the lid and flip this over. I will let the other side cook for another 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes, I have now switched off the flame. I will rest this for another 5 to 7 minutes before opening the lid and serving this. Basa patodi is now ready to be relished. I will just cut open one of them to show it to you how it looks like. We can also see that the fish is nicely cooked. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.